Okay, this is the last video, so I'm going to put the homework in there, and of course I'll put it on Schoology too. But I'm going to have you turn in this one and this one, but do all three because all three will be on the quiz next week. Not this Wednesday, but next week we are having a quiz Wednesday. And I also want you to read this section. So on page, and it's the end of chapter 0. So let's look at our first problem, bar graphs. Now, bar graph is just used to represent data. So let's say we did a study, and the study said that freshmen get 8 hours sleep, sophomores get 7, juniors get 6, seniors get 5. Now, you would want to show the data, so then you'd want to show people maybe something needs to be done. Maybe freshmen get more because parents are more on top of freshmen, but as kids get older, parents tend to let you do what you want. So freshmen get 8. So we're just going to draw a bar. Oh, that's horrible. I'm doing this by freehand. You should use a ruler, but I can't find my ruler. So sophomores get 7, so that would be a little lower. Then juniors just get 6. Holy cheese, even lower. So you do this study because you want people to do something. Government to fund a study. What can we try? So then, seniors are even lower. Then might want to do a study in college. How does it affect you academically? Studies show lack of sleep does affect you. But as you get older, you get jobs, you get a girlfriend, boyfriend, so you play a sport. You just don't have as much time. Where if you're younger, your parents do try to kind of stay on top of you to make sure you're following it. Now let's say we do another study. We're going to do a histogram. That's a bar graph where we have the same interval, in this case 10 units each time at the bottom. And our study is what are the weight of freshmen. Now they used to do this with incoming freshmen at college. Now I'm talking about freshmen in high school, and I just made this up. I have no idea. But they would actually, boys and girls actually look over the years, and studies show that you're maturing a lot younger. And why is that? And there's a lot of reasons. But anyways, let's say we only have 6 freshman boys that are 100 to 109 pounds. Now again, I just made this up. So we would just go across. Then there's a 20 that are 110, 119. So this is horrible. So then, now some don't want you to show this segment here. I like that segment, but some don't like it. 120 to 129, there's 30. So as we're getting bigger, then there's, let's see, 40 at 130 to 139. So wow, we're still getting bigger. And again, this is freehand. If you were going to turn this in at a job, you better do better, and you'd probably have colors for each one. But 40, we just did that. And then 26, 140 to 49, so starting to get smaller. Of course, it probably depends how many kids are playing football, how many boys. And then we only have 19. Okay, that could be better, but just freehand it. Now, last graph. Now, this last section, I want you to actually read the section that has the homework on page 45 and 46, or P45, P46, sorry. But the last one I want to do, and then you can read the rest and look it over, is what if we have a circle graph, and this is a study from 1,200 people. What do they do to get rid of stress? And we have 30% do yoga, 10% lift weights, 35% walks, 25% sleep. Made this up. I'd say there'd probably be reading in there. Some might do karate. Some might eat. Ooh, that sounds like a good one. So if I want to find out how many actual people do yoga, I would do 30% or 0.3 times 1,200. And the answer is 360 of the people. So you just take the percent of the number of people. So 10% would be 120, 10% of 1,200. Walking, you would have 35% times 1,200. Woohoo, so that's 420. Now, since it's the last one, I could just add them all up and then subtract from 1,200. So let's see, 600, 960. So that would be 240. Woohoo. Let's see if I made a boo-boo. 0.25 times 1200. Oop, it's 300. What did I do wrong? My brain messed up. I'm glad I double-checked it. So 0.25 or 25%, 1,200 is 300. What was I thinking? I don't know. But anyways, just kind of wanted to go over that fast because I want to see if you can kind of look at this yourself. So read this section, do those 4 problems, and then turn those 2 sections in. Now you're going to say, oh, I don't turn this one in, so I'm not going to do it. But you are going to be quizzed on it, on a test or quiz, whatever you want to call it. So anyways, have a good day.